How to copy your account link on Twitter. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I'll show you the way on how you can actually copy your account link on Twitter. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let us get started with today's video. Now first of all, simply make sure you have either downloaded or updated the Twitter app to the latest version, and you can do this by heading over to your device's respective app stores, in the search box typing in Twitter, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you've updated the Twitter application, in order to copy the account link, it is very simple. All you have to do is simply go ahead and then launch the Twitter application on a device. Once you launch the Twitter app, you can see this is how it is going to look like. Now what you have to do is tap on the profile icon at the very top left corner of the screen, and just tap on your profile name over here to go to your profile page. As you tap on profile icon and go to your profile page, in order to copy and share our account link, just tap on the three dots which you see on the very top right hand side. As you tap on the three dots, you'll find that option that says share, which is at the very top. So select the option called share, and as you tap on the share option, at the bottom you'll find this button that says copy URL. All you have to do is copy it. Now when you send this URL to anybody, they'll be able to visit your profile. For example, if I just share it to a random profile over here, so if I just go ahead and select any of the other messages, let's say once I select and send it to Instagram, let's say for the demo purpose, now when that particular person taps on that particular link, it will basically take them to my Twitter profile. And this is how you can share and copy your account link on Twitter. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.